In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted file on your computer, a lifesaver skill that will help you restore those accidentally erased documents with ease. We've all been there. A slip of the fingers, a momentary lapse in concentration, and suddenly that important file is gone. But don't worry, because with just a few simple steps, you can get it back. First, you'll want to head to your desktop. This is the launching pad for our recovery mission. On your desktop, scan your eye over those familiar icons until you spot one that looks like a trash can. That's your recycle bin. It's a handy tool designed to safeguard your files from accidental deletion, keeping them around just in case you need to rescue them. Click open the recycle bin, and inside you'll discover a collection of files that you've previously deleted. Now, your mission is to look for the file you wish to restore. This part might take a moment, especially if it's been a while since you emptied your recycle bin, but patience is key. If, however, you're dealing with a particularly cluttered recycle bin, you can sort your files by the date they were deleted or by type, which might help you track down your file more swiftly. Once you've located the file that needs rescuing, hover your mouse over it and give it a right click. A context menu will appear. From there, you want to select the option that says Restore. This action will essentially send the file back to its original location on your computer, as if it never left. After clicking Restore, head back to the folder where the file was initially stored before deletion. It should be sitting right there, snug and safe, just waiting for you to pick up where you left off. However, if it seems like you can't remember exactly which folder the file lived in, don't worry. Windows has a built-in search function to help track down your rescued file. Simply head over to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. If you remember the file's name, type it in, and Windows will sift through your directories to find it for you. This can be a real time saver, particularly when you're juggling multiple tasks, and there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to retrieve files you might have thought were lost forever. Keep these steps in mind in case you ever find yourself in a similar predicament. Remember, your recycle bin is your first line of defense against accidental file loss, making it a good habit to regularly ensure nothing essential is lingering there before emptying it. Stay tuned for more tips to better manage and protect your files.